Subnautica uses its sound design to create the curiosity and terror that the game is known for. While the visuals build terror by hindering the player's vision, it's the sounds in the distance distorted by the water that creates Subnautica's excellent atmosphere. Both the sound design and musical composition for Subnautica was done by Simon Chilinsky. Because of his amazing work, Subnautica was nominated for Golden Joystick Best Audio Award in 2019. Subnautica was presented a challenge in recording its high-quality underwater audio. Instead of doing it the old-school way of putting a condom on the mic and hoping that it was still watertight, they decided to buy a dedicated hydrophone microphone. According to the sound designer Simon Chilinsky, who recorded this, unfortunately the GoPro's audio quality is too poor for sound design, but the videos it makes and the dives themselves give me a great auditory experimental reference I can call on for creating the soundscape of Subnautica. I found it interesting how different the underwater environment actually sounds compared to how I probably, and most people, imagine it does. There's so much clicking happening under the waves. And thanks to his hard work, the sound effects easily immerse the player right into the world.
Change course. Set thrusters to full.
are stranded on an alien water planet. You are trying to survive and find a way to get back home. Subnautica's main focus is to make the player feel alone and stranded, and the environment shows that greatly. The lack of distinct noises and how all the creatures sound alien and unfamiliar. It uses the environment to truly instill terror into the players. The music enhances the environment. Most of the music is drowned and muddy and eerie. None of it is clear and distinct, and they are used to make the player feel uneasy and nervous to explore new areas. Best example would be entering the Blood Kelp area. Hey, thank you all for watching, and here's some funny clips I got while recording. What the f? What the f? Jesus, what? Where did he come from? Oh,